Welcome the our channel. Today we how to restore keyboard navigation in React with ARIA landmarks, full guide step by step clearly. To restore keyboard navigation in React with ARIA landmarks, start by understanding the purpose of ARIA landmarks. ARIA landmarks help users with assistive technologies navigate a web application more efficiently. Begin by identifying the main sections of your application, such as headers, footers, and main content areas. For each of these sections, assign appropriate ARIA roles. Use the role attribute to define the landmarks. For example, use role equals banner for the header area. Use role equals main for the main content section. And apply role equals content info for the footer section. Next, ensure that all navigable elements are focusable. Check that links and buttons can be accessed via keyboard navigation. Use the tab index attribute for any custom components that need to be focusable. Set tab index equals 0 on elements that should be accessible via keyboard. Enhance focus indication for all keyboard navigable elements. Add CSS styles to make focused elements visually distinct. Incorporate proper ARIA labels or ARIA labeled by attributes for better context. Apply these attributes to elements that lack textual descriptions. Ensure that all interactive components are keyboard accessible. For dropdowns, modal dialogues, and similar components, implement keyboard handling. Utilize the keyboard events to manage focus when the component opens and closes. Make sure to trap focus within these components while they are active. Implement on-key down and on-key up handlers for this purpose. Leverage the escape key to allow users to close modals or dropdowns easily. Finally, test your implementation across different assistive technologies. Consider using screen readers to verify that ARIA landmarks function as intended. Conduct user testing with keyboard navigation to ensure a seamless experience. Implementing these practices will enhance accessibility in your React application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.